over here. And you get about a third of the way back and there'll be a gap.
Oh, yeah.
And so now if you pull your hand out and feel the lower opposite that, you'll feel what I'm talking about when we talk about a wave mouth. Feel how instead of being flat, it's got a little undulation in it.
Yeah.
Yep, so feel the upper on this side first and feel back until you get that gap. So you'll have tooth, and then all of a sudden there's a kind of a missing spot where a tooth has been fractured.
Mm.
You get a lot of dirt or a lot of feed material. Yeah.
So the tooth just broke off on a diagonal?
That's a common place because what happens is when a young horse is growing and their baby teeth are getting pushed out, their teeth erupt from caudal and rostral. So from front and back, they erupt to the middle tooth is actually the last one to erupt. So a lot of times it is under pressure and it's not as healthy of a tooth. So if one's going to break, it's usually going to be that third or fourth tooth, either upper or lower. Feel that gap on the upper. And if you pull your hand out and feel the lowers, there's the opposite kind of.
Ah, yeah, right there.
Yep.